We're gonna talk about the best guns to have in your house. I'm a former CIA officer and police officer. Let's get into it. When we're talking about the best gun for home defense, there are a few different categories that you want to consider. The first one is ease of use. You want something that when you grab it, you pull the trigger, you know exactly what's going on. You don't need to think about it. If you do, you've already lost. If somebody is breaking into your house, you need to be able to react immediately and stop that threat quickly. The second category is capacity. You want enough rounds in that gun to stop the threat. And the third category, which may be the most important one, is the size of the gun. You want to have a gun that's big enough to be effective, but not so big that it's cumbersome. If you're really interested in purchasing any of these guns or any of the guns that we'll talk about today, there is an incredible community on our website, and they can answer questions, help you find the right accessories, and even help you find a local gun store that has them in stock. First up is the Smith & Wesson Governor. This is a 45 ACP round with a 2-inch barrel. It also comes with a 3-inch barrel if you want that as well. And it's designed to take special ammo called low recoil ammo. So this is not the standard 45 ACP ammo that you're probably used to. There's actually a whole bunch of different types of ammo out there that's lower recoil. But the good news is that the sights on this gun, the whole design of the gun is designed around a lower recoil round. So you don't have to worry about malfunctions because it has a very soft shooting experience. It's not going to kick like a standard 45 will. And you can also put regular 45 ACP in this gun. But just realize that you may gonna have a little bit more recoil and potentially some malfunctions because it is not designed for that. This is great for people who can't shoot a regular 45 because of the recoil. Or maybe you have smaller hands and you're really looking for something that is easier to control. This is a good option for you. Next up is the SIG P365. Now this is a 380 ACP and it's a compact gun. It only has a 3-inch barrel, but it comes with 10 round and 12 round magazines. It's one of the more popular guns on the market now, and for good reason. People love the P365. It's got a ton of aftermarket support. You can get all kinds of holsters for it, all kinds of upgrades. The only drawback to this gun is that it's a 380. It's not a 9mm. And there's a lot of people who say that the 380 is not an effective caliber. I've made videos on this before. I still stand by the fact that the 380 is an effective round. It's not going to be as effective as a 9mm, but you can definitely stop threats with it. The other drawback to this gun is the price. This gun is not cheap. It's around $700. That's not terrible, but it's not amazing either. A lot of people are willing to pay that premium for this gun because of its popularity and, again, all the aftermarket support that it has. All in all, this is a great gun for home defense. It's easy to use. It's got enough capacity and it's not too big. Next up is the Glock 40 3X MOS. So this is a newer model from Glock. It has a 3-inch barrel. It comes with 10 round, 13 round, and 15 round magazines. The MOS stands for Modular Optic System, and that means you can throw an optic on top of this gun. Now, optics are a great idea for home defense. The problem is that not everybody needs an optic. A lot of people are perfectly capable of hitting what they need to hit at home with just the sights on the gun. But if you want to add an optic to this gun, you can. It comes pre-milled and ready to go. Like all Glocks, this gun is reliable and it's easy to use. It does everything that a Glock is supposed to do. This is another gun that has a ton of aftermarket support. There's a lot of great holsters out there for it. You can find it for a decent price. Next up is the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus. This is a 9mm and it has a 1-inch barrel. It comes with 10 round, 13 round, and 17 round magazines. This gun was made specifically for people with smaller hands. So if you have small hands and you're having trouble with other guns, this gun might be perfect for you. You can get it with an optic if you want to. Again, optics are a great idea for home defense, but not everybody needs one. You can find this gun for a decent price. It's not the most expensive gun on the list, but it's not the cheapest either. It's reliable, it's easy to use, and it's got enough capacity to stop any threat. Next up is the Springfield Hellcat. This is a 9mm with a 3-inch barrel, and it comes with 11 and 13 round magazines. This is another gun that was made for people with small hands. It's extremely concealable. It's a very small gun, but it doesn't skimp on capacity. This is another gun that you can get with an optic if you want to. All these guns on this list you can get with an optic if you want to. But the Hellcat is a really good choice for people with small hands. It also has a really good trigger. This is a striker-fired gun. Most striker-fired guns have really crummy triggers, but the trigger on the Hellcat is really good. It's smooth and it's consistent and it's easy to use. You can get this gun for a decent price. It's not the most expensive gun on the list, but it's not the cheapest either. All in all, this is a great gun for home defense. It's easy to use. It's got enough capacity and it's not too big. Next up is the Ruger LCP 380. This is a semi-compact gun. It has a 30 caliber, 30 ACP round, and it comes with 6 and 7 round magazines. This is a great gun for people who want something super easy to carry. This is a really light gun and it's really easy to conceal. You can easily put this gun in your pocket and you never know it was there. However, it is so small that it does feel a little bit cheap. You can get this gun for a really good price. It's one of the cheaper guns on this list. But the main drawback to this gun is the capacity. It only comes with 6 or 7 round magazines. So if you're looking for a gun for home defense, you need to make sure that you have enough rounds in it to stop the threat. And 6 or 7 rounds may not be enough for you. Another drawback to this gun is the sights. The sights on this gun are really small and they're really hard to see. So if you're looking for a gun for home defense, you need to make sure that you can see those sights clearly. If you can do that, then this is a great gun for you. And last but not least is the Glock 19. This is the classic all-American gun. It's a 9mm with a 5-inch barrel. It comes with 15 round and 17 round magazines. You can get this gun for a decent price. It's one of the cheaper guns on this list. It's reliable. It's easy to use and it's got enough capacity to stop any threat. It's not too big, it's not too heavy, and it's not too light. It's just right. If you're looking for a gun for home defense, the Glock 19 is a great choice. It's been used by police and military all over the world, and it's a proven performer. Well, that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to learn more about home defense, please subscribe to this channel. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.